Today, I wanna wake up, trying to wake up only to sleep again. By darkness I am bound, I stand, only to stand still. To the earth I am nailed, I force myself to walk, only to wobble along. All around me the whole world spins. 1,000 voices of pain and shame, the cries of anguish and sighs of mourning, the whining wheeze of despair, the dirge of death envelope me, envelope me. Yet yes, the new isles is possible. Let the silence with us speak, let the new isles speak. So let it be for you and me. Let the voices within sing a new song, the song of the new isles. Let the song begin. Let this new song be. Let this new song be. Yet deep within me, silence also hovers. Deep within me, silence there in the silence. The sun rises, the sound of dripping water, drip dripping mingling into one, turning unto a stream and gathering strength like the rushing river, rushing to the embrace of the waiting sea, singing in the waves, shouting its joy with the wind, laughing at the falling rain, mirroring the delight of the sun, reflecting the face of the moon, waving at the twinkling stars. Oh yes, the water dance, witnessing new isles, the isles of joy now rising. Yes, the new isles is possible, the isles where you and I can wake up, where you and I can stand, walk and run and dance, with all creation rise and clap their hands and sing along with you and me. Yes, the new isles is possible, the isles where you and I can wake up, where you and I can stand, walk and run and dance, with all creation rise and clap their hands and sing along with you and me. Let wind and earth, let sun and moon and stars join us as we sing